In front of me is BLACKVIEW Tab 8, and let me show you how to activate installation of apps from unknown sources on the following device. So first of all, you need to open the settings, then find and select Apps and Notifications, and here click on Advanced. Now go to Special App Access, and here you will notice Install Unknown Apps, mark it, and pick the app that you would like to give this permission to. It can be, for example, Google Chrome. Just mark it, and to install some apps via this source, just allow from this source by using this switcher. And this is it. Then you can pick any other app, then mark the switcher, and then you'll be able to install another app via this one. And this is it. This is how you can activate the installation of apps from unknown sources. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.